Good morning, everybody, and thanks for tuning in to our MMG weekly recap. So, on a Friday here, we're seeing a bid go into the bond market in advance of the weekend, right? It's like a safe haven trade. Just park my money somewhere. So the bond market always seems to find money. Remember that Treasury market is different than mortgage-backed securities. Treasuries are seeing outsized gains. 10-year note ticking down 461 as we speak. Mortgage-backed securities only up a couple of ticks, so it's a big difference. We got to watch 460 on the 10-year note. We didn't get beneath that, but one day this week. Mortgage-backed securities seeing some gains, but they're really slight considering the magnitude of the horrific news coming out of Israel. So, and remind clients that what's going on. Obviously, doesn't bad news be good news for bonds? Yes, but it's being offset by bad auctions on Wednesday and Thursday, and also some bad inflation readings. So there's enough bad to go around. From a pipeline management standpoint, you still got to lock loans. Next week's news is kind of thin. But at the same time, it probably would take a back seat to some of what's going on in Israel. We just really have to hope that there's no major escalation around the region. That's something that's very fearful. And we're starting to see threats of that today, and part of the safe haven trade, as both Iran, Hezbollah are saying we're watching, and if they don't like what happens with the dealings with Hamas, they're talking about escalating this further, and that has made energy prices move over $3 per barrel, which is a pretty big move in the oil patch. So we got to watch that carefully. Listen, have yourself a terrific weekend. We'll be back at it first thing Monday. Obviously, still lock loans where you can, and we'll see you then. Bye for now.